So in this series of training videos, I'm going to use PostTrans for Xero, but the principle is exactly the same for our Sage 50, 200, and God knows what other accounts packages we'll be interfacing for. So do watch these, even if it isn't Xero you're going to use PostTrans for, because the principle is exactly the same. So having installed PostTrans, we should see a toolbar at the top there. If it was for Sage, it would say Sage 50 or 200. And this enables us a lovely little toolbar. On the toolbar, we have an import button for importing, an extract button for extracting data, clearing the spreadsheet. This one's particular to online accounts packages. It's a cache, so it uses maximum performance because it caches a lot of the data locally. So in-cell searching works really fast. Tags, which enables us to alter the structure, because PostTrans uses a series of tags to denote what is in the template to map back to the account system. Setup, and I'm going to go in there in a second and just show you how to select different companies. A button that gives us access to all our inbuilt examples, and a support button which gives you the answer to hopefully many of your questions and allows you to contact us. It's worth noting that if you do contact us, please give as much information as possible about whatever problem you've got. Please try and include the spreadsheet, even if you think it's just the example. You never know, we may have several examples. They may be slightly different. So I'm just going to go into examples, and you can see there listed down the bottom there is a whole series. There'll be some more for Xero as I progress, but you can see where we've got a search box there. So if we're looking for a nominal journal, we just type journal in there and it minimizes the options we can see. I'm just going to open contacts for Xero, and I'll discuss the structure in a future video. I'm just going to go up here because I think it's important, and we get a lot of people say, yeah, I've opened the template, but how do I select a different company? I have already connected to Xero, so there isn't a separate installation video which would take you through and explain all that. But effectively on the setup window here, on all of the systems, there's basically a change button, and it shows you your different companies in here. Now PostTrans also gives them a 6-letter code which can be used for posting to different companies within a spreadsheet. That's again covered on a different video. Down here we have the registration information. The software will work 100% with a demo company, be it Sage, Xero, or whoever. It only then asks you to pay if you start using it with a live company. Okay, so I'm just going to finish this off by, here we got our contacts. I'm just going to press the extract button, and it's going to go down that sheet and populate it with all our contacts from Xero in record time. Beautiful. So now I could edit, add, and push back to the account system.